Okay, so turn to the next page, page 184. Alright, page 184, it's on board. Now as you can see, I have drawn the lines for each sum. So this is sum number 3, I've drawn 2 lines, then sum number 4, then sum number 5. So I have drawn the lines to right. If you want, you also can draw the lines to right. Okay? Alright. Okay, so I'm going to read sum number 3 first. John had $23.30 in his coin box. He put in another $5.80. Okay, highlight put in. So that means he added. Put in means added. How much does John have in the coin box now? Now this is very simple. All you need to do is add. So $23.30 plus $5.80. Alright, so I'm going to add. Now remember to put your decimal points in the correct place. Remember to put your dollar sign. Okay, please remember that you do all this. Alright. You can see I am putting the dollar sign. Please make sure you put in everything. Work slowly but work neatly. Okay. You can work slowly. You're sitting at home, there is no rush. You can watch the video slowly, rewind the video and see, and do it slowly and neatly. Okay, so the statement, John had $29.10 in his coin box. Yes, in his coin box now. Alright? So that's number 3. Okay? Number 4. Please take your time. You can pause the video, okay? Take your time to finish the sum. Okay, number 4. Mrs. Lee spent $15.85 more on food than on transport. So highlight more on, okay? Highlight more on food. That means she spent more on food, $15.85 more on food. She spent $97.35 on food. How much did she spend on transport? Okay? So that means she spent more on food than on transport. Now food she spent $97.35. So you minus to find out how much did she spend on transport. So $15.85. Now you have the working column in your book, alright? You have the working column, please make use of it. So, $81.50. Now, statement is Mrs. Lee spent between the sums, so please make sure you draw the lines nicely apart. There's a lot of space in the book, okay? Alright, the last sum number 5. A leather bag costs $52.25. At a sale, Mrs. Thompson paid $15.95 less for the bag. Highlight less for the bag. How much did she pay for the bag? Alright, so it cost $52.25. She paid $15.95 less. That means you need to minus. Alright, so $52.25 minus $15.95. Alright, because that's what she paid less. Alright, it cost something, it cost $52.25 and she paid less by $15.95. So you minus. Alright, so you minus 0, you need to borrow, put the decimal point, again you need to borrow. So please make sure you write the answers after the equal to sign first. Sometimes you are missing the thing, alright? So statement is Mrs. Thompson paid $36.30 for the bag. Alright? Okay? Okay, so please make sure you do your work properly, neatly and correctly, okay? Please do it correctly. Please make sure you write the date.